Good morning, guys. I've just been chilling here for a few hours. I was making some breakfast, some rolled oats with milk and sugar, some tea as well. I bought a bunch of tea for the commune because it was winter tea that was on sale. So we got all kinds of delicious winter tea now. And then I got some, I think it's a lemon cake, maybe. Not sure. Looks delicious, but I need to eat some proper food first. Just listening to some science stuff in the meantime. Guys, I have to admit, this recent time, it's been very defeating to me. It's been very difficult to continue shooting footage and continue uploading videos when nothing is happening, just for the sake of documenting the whole journey. You know, this channel was never about getting big or getting popular. It wasn't even about necessarily making money one day. But I've been at a point this past month or so, and I'm so behind on the videos too. I'm more than a month behind now. I don't know, I've just been increasingly thinking about just stopping these videos and just living. And who knows, maybe in the future making a few videos here and there. I don't know. At the same time, I feel like documenting the whole journey is important for some reason. Can't exactly identify why. And also, I'm starting to enjoy myself and be busy to the point where I keep falling behind. And I only think that tendency is going to increase in the future. So, I don't know. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. It would be nice to be doing this for a year total. To document a year of my life, every day of my life. If nothing else, that would be interesting. But I'm just starting to doubt if this is really something I want to be doing. It takes up a lot of mental space, you know? I don't know. I just don't necessarily think the channel is interesting enough or ever will be interesting enough for it to make sense for me to continue, because that's another thing I've noticed. I keep never showing you guys the best parts because I'm just too busy enjoying life and hanging out with people to really be able to organically show you the best parts. So I don't know, man. I don't know. I'll probably end up doing at least a year, though. I've just been out shopping. What a beautiful return. All the rain. It's much more beautiful in real life. So many beautiful places I want to see. I just feel kind of stuck. Gotta get that electrical setup fucking built so I can have a little more autonomy. Check the haul I just got. Only thing here that isn't like drink or candy related are these rice vinegar for sushi. I eat a lot of sushi. But this one, I haven't tried this one before. It has the pina colada flavor, some Coke, energy drink flavors, pink lemonade, jalapeno chips, jalapeno pork rinds. And then I wanted to see what is the difference between these two. This one is called the sour mix and this one is called super sour. I suspect they're the same. Well, let's see. Because I really like these. I want to see if one is more sour than the other. And then toffee. I love these things. Yeah, someone's staying in his room all day, huh? I'm just enjoying myself, man. I feel like ever since I went over to Allen after work, and it's just like I'm on vacation now. Man, if 15-year-old me could see my fridge today, I think he'd be kind of proud. Oh, shit. I'm finally doing it, guys. I'm gonna watch Kuno's journey. I've really been wanting to watch this for a long time, but I've just never gotten around to it. He seems like a guy. He seems similar to myself in some ways. Another rainy day. Another lazy Luke. Making sushi. You know me. I'm making sushi. Drinking some Fanta Exotic. Been hanging out with Stoney and Dion in voice chat all day. Really uneventful days. I'm sorry. I don't know what to tell you, man. Like, things are gonna change soon. Things are gonna change soon. I've been saying that for a while. But they will. But first, sushi. And chill. Check it out, guys. Sushi is ready. I made a little extra. Because me and Stoney are gonna be watching an anime now. This one. Dion's here too. I don't think he's gonna watch though. We binge watched the other anime yesterday, and now we're binging this one.